पणजे महापालिकेच्या अदमास पत्रकाक 5 मिनटांत मंजुरी मेळ्ळी। पालिकेक फाटल्या वर्सा 99.81 कोटींचो महसूल मेळिल्लो। तातूंतल्या 98.9 कोटींच्या खर्चाक मंजुरी मेळ्ळा। आर्थीक वर्साचे निमणे मेरेन 1.72 रुपया शिल्लक उरले। पणजे महापालिका महापौर आनी उपमहापौर पदाची वेंचणूक 30 तारखेर जातली। सद्याचे महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात आनी उपमहापौर संजीव नायक हाणें सोमारा उमेदवारी अर्ज भरले। दोगांचेच अर्ज आयिल्ल्यान ही वेंचणूक बिनविरोध जातली अशें दिसता।
So, budget was approved. There was not many issues that were raised. And this year there is a surplus around 1.7 crores. 1.7. Yeah. So I think this is the first 2 years where we have not had to break our fixed deposits to pay for salaries or anything like that. Also. So, see, now for revenue issue we have a lot of outstanding. Now, unfortunately, there has that market issue that has been pending for 15 years. That National Theatre is pending, our CCP building is pending. So now all of that we started to slowly take up. So for example, the National Theatre now also we have made progress in that. We have to appoint a new estate officer, which we are approaching the government for permission. Once that is given, then hopefully within the next 3-4 months we will push for eviction of that thing, and we want that property back. Same with the market issue also. We have now all of those people have been given the live-in license agreement, which none of the tenant wanted to sign. So now we have changed that to a lease agreement, so taking some of their points into consideration. Now that is with the law department pending approval. So once that is done also, now we want to approach the tenant association and ask them to sign, because now that outstanding for the market is around some 25 crores, which is not a joke. So we have been paying the electricity bills, water bills and everything, and that is coming basically from taxpayers' money. So that should not be happening. So again, once government gives us approval for that also, then we want to push for all of these people to sign the lease agreement. So we're hoping they cooperate. Spending our own money for the market. In fact, they come to us all the time asking us to fix the thing. See, now all these soccer people, they pay us regularly. So there is no issue with that. But that money itself is not enough to repair everything. For example, the roof has to be repaired. And we have to deploy what? Some 20-30 staff we have to put over there, because all of these people, they spit on the walls and everything. So we're spending more money in the market also.